Hi there, Andrew Thompson from Precision Market Trading. I promised a couple of days ago on Twitter I would put up a chart on JB Hi-Fi, JBH in the Australian market. I'm a major retailer of electronic goods. As far as I'm concerned, it's made low, and the market action for the last couple of days hasn't done anything to dispel that. This is a weekly chart. I made this over last weekend. I've only just managed to get the time to put this video together. But we'll start where we always start, the long term. So we have here a double top, a double weekly top. I've gone on like a broken record how much I love double tops and double bottoms. I've also talked about how I like the midpoint. I've also talked many times about how I find if I get the average between the days and the degrees, because as you know, there's 5 more days in a circle than there is degrees. So over 3-4 years, there's a difference of 15 to 20 points or days of degrees. So here we have top to top 1443. Now I hope everyone understands that number. It's 10 times 144. How good is that before the big decline? But it was also done in 1422 degrees. And the average of the two gives me 1433. So from this left-hand top to the very recent low over here, last week's low, I've got 1334 trade. So 1433 average, 1434 trade, and the low after the right-hand top was 1435. So I have all this price and time coming out within 2 points. So when this low popped its ugly head up, then I knew all this stuff has to have some relevance. So 1433, 1434, 1435. That means to me we've got low time. And we go right back to December 2008. Major low down here was 684, I think it was. Over to the recent low is 2,446 days, which is basically 2 days out of 17 times 144. So as I've said before, showing market works beautifully to the 144. So weekly looks great. We'll go to the daily now. This is a low back in 2012, $7.83. Major low before we went all the way up there to 23.50 odd. This low to the very recent low of 1435 I mentioned on the weekly chart was done in 784 trader. So the price of the low gave you the time to the next low. 783 cents, 784 trade. Once again, I've seen this happen too often to ignore it. And from the top, the recent top, major top back here in 2013 to this low, the range between the top and the low was $4.36 in 435 trade. As you'd be well aware, 3 times 144 is 432. So basically, I'm looking at the square of 144 here. I'm looking at time giving me price. So all in all, for me, this is a low of note. At the moment, it's trading all the way up here. As far as I'm concerned, it's hitting weekly resistance here. It might have a bit of a trickle back down. It hasn't made a higher low yet, so I wouldn't be rushing into this stock at the moment. We will have a test of this low if it's a relevant low. So I'd be holding your powder clear at the moment, waiting to come back down into here to buy. But for as far as I'm concerned, this is a little overlapping correction. This is going higher. So we'll see how we go. Good day for now.